RISE Business Conclave and Awards 2025, organized by India Economic Hub in Bengaluru, brought together some of the most dynamic minds shaping India's growth story. At the heart of the evening was a celebration of excellence, honoring leaders, innovators and change makers who have set new benchmarks in their fields. The platform also served as a stage to spotlight remarkable stories of perseverance and purpose. Each recognition reflected not just success, but the mindset, ethics and commitment that define true leadership in today's evolving business landscape.
Mr. Manjunath Sagar, founder from MS Realty's Real Estate Solutions and Managed Farmland Project. Please join us on stage. We have the lovely presenters as we recognize and felicitate the founder from MS Realty's Real Estate Solutions and Managed Farmland Project. Let's welcome Mr. Manjunath Sagar for each one of you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Manoj. And RISE Business Conclave Award 2025. Thank you so much.
We have Dr. Ricky Cage here with us, an Indian music composer. As all of you know, 4-time Grammy nominee, Padma Shri awardee, US Billboard #1 artist, United Nations Goodwill Ambassador, GQ Man of the Year. He's an internationally renowned Indian music composer and environmentalist. Well, he's performed at prestigious venues in 35 plus countries, including the United Nations headquarters in New York and Geneva.
Yelrigu namaskara everyone. Huge honor for me to be over here and good meeting you 2 times within the same week. So fantastic. But anyway, I just wanted to say that it's a huge honor. So thank you to the India Economic Hub. Thank you so much. And I've always believed that every recognition, every award, every pat on the back is a beautiful platform to do bigger and better things and to spread a message of awareness, because all of my music is always about some sort of a social cause or some sort of an environmental cause. So all of these recognitions are amazing platforms for spreading these messages further and wider and spreading my music further and wider and doing bigger and better things. So that's why I'm always extremely grateful. So thank you so much for this and have a great rest of the evening. Thank you.
And the next proud achiever we have, yes, Srimati Dr. Nagalakshmi Chaudhary, ma'am. Please join us, Chairman from Karnataka State Commission for Women. Well, she's a dedicated public servant who's been carrying out the responsibilities entrusted to her by the International Congress with unwavering commitment and integrity. Well, she's instrumental in creating awareness about women's health, education to welfare schemes, particularly reaching marginalized and rural communities. Her efforts in coordinating with government departments to civil society organizations to grassroots worker, she's helped translate policy into action, ensuring that benefits reach those to most in need. Let's give it up to the chairman from Karnataka State Commission for Women, Srimati Dr. Nagalakshmi Chaudhary.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಮಹಿಳಾ ಆಯೋಗದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಿಗೆ ಸಾರ್ಥಕ ನಾರಿ 2025 ಇದು ನನಗಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗಳು, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಮಹಿಳೆ ಅವಳ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳಿಗೆ, ಅವಳ ಧ್ವನಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇದು ಸೇರುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅನಿಲ್, thank you Manoj for calling me for this beautiful prestigious award. Thank you so much Manoj. Thank you.
From visionary entrepreneurs and corporate trailblazers to social impact champions and emerging talent, each awardee was recognized for their dedication, resilience and outstanding contribution to India's progress. Their journeys reflect the spirit of innovation, purpose-driven leadership and the courage to create a meaningful change. The RISE Business Conclave and Awards 2025, celebrating achievers who inspire India's future.